I will now be starting to read from lesson 2, which starts on slide 14. The objectives are you will be able to write a short paragraph explaining the theme of the story using details from the passage as evidence. So slide 15 says open-ended question. Reread paragraphs 3 through 7. And they are here on this slide, and I will read those to you. It says, Margaret and her mother went into the dark, dusty front room to see what the fight was about. George, the younger of the two, was hunched over and clutching something shiny in his hand. William, a head taller than George, was clambering over his little brother, trying to pry the shiny object loose. It's mine, shouted George, pulling away from his brother. Father said I could carry it today. Why should you get to? I'm older, shouted William. It's mine by right. Boys, said their mother, how can you fight over a timepiece when some of our neighbors have just lost their lives fighting the British? George and William looked at each other and then looked down, ashamed. Margaret was glad when the two promptly apologized to each other and admitted it really didn't matter who got to carry the watch. Brother, they agreed, should not fight brother. How does George, William, and their mom's actions help support the theme in this story? Write an essay explaining how the themes of brotherhood and respect are developed throughout the story. Describe how the boys' actions changed and how mom influenced them to change. Use the highlighted details as evidence to develop and support your answer. Your response will be scored on how well you demonstrate your understanding of the ideas of the text. Use evidence from the text to help develop and support your ideas. Organize your response in a logical manner. Demonstrate an appropriate writing style through the use of precise word choice and varied sentences. Use standard conventions for writing. And on slide 16, it looks like Ms. Costas has provided you with a paragraph frame to help you write this answer. So you can use that to support you. And then there's a cool down on slide 17, which says respect is one of the themes in the story we read. Explain what respect is and write 2 examples that describe how you are respected. And again, there's another paragraph frame. So I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you all on Friday at our advisory.